If you want to search songs on Redmi A7 Pro, then in that case we can use the circle to search feature. So you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar if you use gestures for navigation, or you can press and hold your finger on the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation. Once you open the circle to search overlay, then over here we have this music note icon or button. You can tap on it in order to make the phone start listening to the background. And if there is a song being played right now, or if you sing a song or hum it, there is a chance that of course you get the Google search result with the song title. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can easily find a song. But in addition to that, a small tip: we can add the search song option to the control center. If you edit the control center, then over here we should be able to find song search. So you can add it to the list, and then you can just tap on this shortcut in the control center to activate that feature. Leave a like and subscribe.